This committee has membership which is competent, has membership whose integrity cannot be questioned, and we want to assure Kenyans that we are going to conduct this exercise with all fairness. We're going to be impartial. We're going to allow the disputants to come and make their submissions in a fair way, and whatever resolution that this committee will come with will be free and fair.
There is no place that the people of Kirinyaga sat and agreed that this is the position of Kirinyaga people. And those demonstrating are politicians, perhaps opposed to some situations. This committee is not going to be intimidated in any way. We are going to work independently. We are going to do independent investigations so that we can give justice to Kenyans.
As a member of ODM, and you know how senior I am in that party as chairperson of election board, I can confirm that I have not even spoken to Baba for the last several weeks. And I can assure you that he knows that he has a team that is able to work, that is able to make judgment without necessarily having to be called by him as to how we can discharge justice to this republic. So I condemn those that are saying that we have instruction.
Itakuwa ni makosa sana kwa mtu kusema ya kwamba sisi tutakuwa kama muosho mmoja. Hiyo mimi nataka kusema na ikanusha kabisa ya kwamba hakuna kitu kama hicho. Sisi sote ni watu na heshima zetu, na nina hakika ya kwamba ukweli wa kina utajulikana wakati tukitoa uamuzi.